What we do here is go back.
Hey guys, what's up? So, today, here in a little bit when my grandpa texts me, we are going to go to West Haven, I think it is, to go to one of the dealerships there and check out a car, because if you guys don't know, actually, you probably don't know, our car kind of took a shit, and we have rod knock in our SUV, so we kind of need another car for Shandy to get to work. So we're looking at like a cheap other car that will get her from like work and back until we can save up a little more money to get the SUV fixed, because it's a brand new engine. So we're gonna go look at a new car, and I'm hoping that we like it. I'm hoping that we get it because it seems really nice. They say that it's for $900, and then when we call them to make sure how much it would be to get off the lot, they said $900, and then we called back again to make sure, and then like what it would be to like add like their licensing and all that shit. Then they added on a few more hundred, so now it's something that's gonna be like $1,300. So, I don't know, we're gonna go look at that, and I'll take you guys with us when we do go check out the car. Should be in the next hour or two before we go. What? When? Oh, I guess it would be at 3, and it's 11 now, so
We're going around 2.
around 2.
What we do here
So,
is go
in like
back.
4 hours. 3 hours. I don't understand.
We're going at 2. It's 11, so that's 3 hours from now.
I know, I just realized that's why I counted. Just whenever Grandpa texts us saying let's go, when we're going in, I'll take you guys with us. Hey guys, so right now, while we're waiting for my grandpa to get home, we are going to be cleaning the car, the outside and the inside, the SUV that is broke down right now. And then, so I think we're going to unhook her speakers so then we can put them in the new car if we do get the new car today. So that's what we're doing right now. So yeah, and then we'll go see the car, and then after that I don't know what we'll do, but I'll take you with us throughout the day. What's in the car? Goats. Say hi. Say hi. This one is Buddy. The other one is Pepper. I can get Pepper to while Shandy's washing off the car, I'm gonna play with the goats. Will you say hi? One of you just farted. One of you just farted. They're so cuddly. Oh, just kidding. This one won't. You can come play? Come play. There's some horses. A few of them actually. And the pigeons. Black one's Pepper, and I'm feeding them leaves. And this one will jump up on me, so like watch this. Okay, watch, she'll jump up on me. Isn't it? They both were on me. I don't know how it works. That's surprising. What? Want more? Yeah, that's pretty much what they do.
What we do here is go back.
Yeah, it kind of hurts, but not as bad as you would think. You're so cute, though. We're here to look at the car. I'm hoping that it is what it is. This is what it looks like. I'll show you a bit. It's a neon. This is the trunk. That is a deep trunk.
Spare.
Car that we're looking at. It does have good headlights. I'm not going. A muffler's fine. This is what it looks like. The inside looks really nice. Grandpa didn't shut it all the way. This is the inside. Back. It drives pretty nice. I like it. So hopefully we get it.
What we do here is go back.
Hey everyone, so we got the car that I just showed you, that blue one, the 2004 Dodge Neon. And it's actually pretty nice. We like it. So we just got that, and now we're on our way to go get everything legit on it, and then going home, and then we're gonna clean it out, wash it up, get it good and new, and yeah, I'm so excited. Do you like this car, baby? She's owned a Neon before. I've never. This is like the second car I own. Third. Oh yeah. Focus, the SUV, and then this one. So she's one to tell you if Neons are good, and it seems like I've heard from a lot of people that Neons are pretty good. So, and it's just to pass by to get our SUV done. So, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go get it done, and then when we get home, I'll meet you back up. Then. See you in a few. Guys, so we're not gonna wash the car today. We're gonna wash it tomorrow, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm going to relax, maybe watch some YouTube, maybe look up more information about where Good goes. Yeah, I'm just gonna relax because we've been on the go since
What we do here is go back.
10? Yeah, somewhere around there. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to go subscribe. This is my new vlogging channel. All my vlogs will be on this channel instead of on the main channel. So if you're coming from my main channel, and you like my vlogs, then this is the place to stay. If you like more of like my fun videos, my like challenges, my never have I ever's, the whatever, like those types of videos, go check out my fun channel, and I'll put that in the description below. Also with my main channel, which is like how-tos and my advice on certain subjects. So, and then eventually I'm going to make another channel with just like my leopard geckos. So like if like my female like hatches more, get that on camera. If I can get ones that like hatch out, and what ones like we get out of each one, if we get new ones, and just like facts about leopard geckos and like what I know about them, and then also like stuff that I've researched. So I don't know when I'm gonna make that, but if you're interested, comment down below and tell me if you are interested in those type of videos too, so I know if it's something that I should really do, or I might just mainly do it just like in a way for like me to kind of like have like documentation of like
What we do here is go back,
when I did have leopard geckos, or like throughout the years of like which ones I get, and like how like I progressed in like knowing, and like little did I know, and then now like I know more. Does that make sense? Am I making any fucking sense? I don't know if I am. But so yeah, comment down below and tell me if that's something that you guys will be interested in. But yeah, this is gonna be mainly like my vlog channel, or this is gonna be my vlog channel. Whatever I vlog, so if I'm plucking clothes away, like if they're not as entertaining, I'm still gonna vlog it, just, you know, because it's something in my day that I do, but I'm gonna try to be like more entertaining. I'm gonna try to do exercises, I'm gonna try to like do more like something that is gonna catch your guys' attention, and like something fun to watch or funny to watch or whatever. So yeah, anyways, we got the car. I think I told you that. I believe I did. We got it, and oh my god, I absolutely love it. It is amazing. I'm not a fan of Dodge, but this car, like, I'm more like not a fan of like Dodge trucks. I don't know about cars, because like this is the first one that I'm owning that's Dodge, and so far I like it. So I'm more of like a Ford truck and Ford cars and Chevys, but just Chevy trucks, though I don't really much care for Chevy cars. But so yeah, that's what we did today. We went to go look at the car, test drive it. We did that, and we absolutely loved it, and we got some of the stuff that it needed. I think it needed like a new fuel pump, or
What we do here is go back.
fuel cap, and then one of the window washers are spraying like shit straight up, and the other one's not even spraying at all. So we got some of those, and then we didn't go get the new wiper blades yet, but got those two things, and then we already have insurance on it. We have everything legit. It's just once we get the plates and stuff, those, and then we just have to get it safeties and emissions, and then we're good to go. So I'm hoping that it passes. I'm pretty sure it will pass, but I'm pretty excited about it. So yeah, anyways, I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, go smash that like button. And let's try to, let's get 50 likes on here. Let's try to do it, guys. And go down and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification, so every time that I upload a vlog, you are notified. And go subscribe and turn on the bell on all my channels, and I'll put them in the description below, so you guys can go check those out too. And follow me on my social media. I'll put them in here and also in the description below. I mean, it's pretty much like the same. Like my Twitter's Abbee Lyon, my Instagram's Abbee Lyon, and the Snapchat's Abbee Lyon 21. So I mean, it's all pretty much the same. card's name. It's just Snapchat has 21 at the end. So make sure you go follow me on there because I do keep you uploaded. Yeah, I keep you uploaded. I keep you up to date on stuff that you have missed or I didn't put in the vlog, so or in any video. So yeah, make sure you're following me on those. And I hope you guys are having a good day, morning, night, whatever time it is that you guys are watching this. Just know that I love you and I appreciate, you know, you guys supporting me and loving me and loving what I do in my days. This is really my first one, so I don't know why in a way like I'm saying it, but I'm mainly meaning it for like all my other channels if you're coming from any of those. It just means a lot that you guys are supporting me, and this is something that I really enjoy. I love making videos, and I love making other people happy. Like that's like my most important, is making other people happy and smile and feeling loved. So that's what I'm hoping that I do in my videos. So yeah, anyways, I love you guys and I will see you in the next vlog. Peace.